2013 Cadillac CTS 3.0. Today we're gonna replace the front wheel bearing. We're gonna use 1/4T torque to remove the bolt that is holding the rudder. We're gonna remove the caliper using a 14 millimeter wrench. Alright, and when we remove the bolts, we're gonna remove the caliper using the screwdriver to release the piston, and we're gonna hold it with a hook, and we remove the brake pads. Also, we're gonna remove the brake the bracket, and we're gonna use a 18 millimeter socket. So I changed the place of the caliper, so we're gonna use a 18 millimeter with a braking bar. Just take your time to remove those bolts. So remove the bracket and also remove the rudder. Okay, and also we're gonna remove the speed sensor using a 10 millimeter socket to remove the 10 millimeter bolt. Okay. So the customer replaced this sensor because he thought it was the problem, but the problem was the bearing. So that's why we're replacing the wheel bearing. So now that we remove all those parts, we're gonna remove the 3 bolts that are holding the wheel bearing. We're gonna use a number 13. Okay, so just take your time. In this case, for this side, we're going to use number 13, but a short socket. So to remove the bolt. So just release it. Alright, so with the hammer, we're going to just remove it. Be careful with your feet, and as you can see here, that's why the customer changed the speed sensor, because you can see here the magnet is no longer there, so it's a small pieces of magnet. So that's why we're replacing the wheel bearing. We're gonna clean all this for the new bearing using a water brush or air brush. Using an air brush is better. So let's change that. So using this. Alright, so as you can see, it's clean. So as you see, the magnet is all around this wheel bearing. So, and this is the port number. The customer bought the wheel bearing, so I don't have the box, but those are the number for the front wheel bearing. Right, so install it. Don't forget the back plate. Alright, so just install the back plate, and we're gonna install the bolts. And for those bolts, we're gonna torque at 95 foot-pounds. And just take your time. Okay. So I got my torque right here at 95 foot-pounds. Alright, so now we're gonna reinstall the speed sensor. We're gonna torque the little bolt at 8 foot-pounds. So now we're gonna put everything back together. We're gonna put the bracket, the rotor, the bracket, and the caliper and the pads. So we're gonna put everything back together, guys, and we're gonna do a road test. You don't have to delete the light, the ABS light, so it's gonna be going by himself when you drive the car. So as you can see, I just add a little bit of brake grease. Make sure they're really good lubricate, and reinstall the pads and the caliper. So I hope this video helped you guys to do it by yourself. If you got any questions, just let me know. Make sure that everything is tight. And thank you, and see you next time.